Hi, Keith Robinson from CSI. I'm the Standards Program Strategist, and we're sitting down looking at the new CSI Dynamic Standard and have opened up on the Navigator family user interface, sitting with Alex Grams. He is a senior specifier.
Excited to learn about the standards tree and the database here today.
So best way, let's dive right in. Let's click on the standards tree. And the first thing they tell you is how to search. What's really great about this is we can search by division number, we can search by keyword, we can use the asterisk as an additive, and it allows us to go anywhere. Yeah, exactly up there. Search by division or name. Let's type that in 03 asterisk and see what it gives us. There we go. So
different concrete sections. Let's click on one of them and see what's in here.
Sure. The more button is probably the more the merrier, right? There you go. And then we can click on any one of those. And that allows you to copy stuff over into that column on the right-hand side if you're building a project. There you go. So we're creating a list as we go along. MasterFormat 2026, that's the current update. We have the ability to choose MasterFormat 2020, 2018, 16, all the way down to 1995. Maybe just improve on your search to 030 star. There we go.
There we go.
Cast in place concrete. Let's have a look at more. So we got miscellaneous concrete, structural concrete. Let's click on structural concrete. So that's good. And now click on the actual number, the 0331 box on the left-hand side.
That's good.
No, the left-hand side. Okay, so this is just the tree. I think what I'm looking for is actually one of the other families, but this does allow us to show you is the ability to search. And it unscrolls a tree. That's what I was looking for. Yes, so the more button. A lot of people will recognize from PDF or the paper version of previous master formats sometimes includes, see also, alternate abbreviations, and so all of those things are going to be present.
Okay, so
on
that's
the screen.
The guidance information is stored down.
The guidance information is stored there. And so very similar to the usage that we would get from a PDF or the book version.
Excellent.
For more information, go to theconstructionstandard.com. We'll see you next time.